Hi guys, it's Kristina. Welcome to my channel. So I wanted to tell you guys here on YouTube that I'm having a giveaway on Instagram for hair extensions. If you saw my video where I announced that I'm going to be an ambassador for INH Hair, which is the insert name here clip-ins, that's the ones I'm wearing right now. I just filmed a little tutorial for IGTV, but I also have their ponytail, the Mia one that's super long, like Ariana Grande style. I love that ponytail. Whenever I rock it, like, people just give me so many compliments, like it just feels so glam. I have a tutorial with that as well, so I will link it somewhere over here and down below so you guys can check it out if you haven't seen it. But we're doing a giveaway together with INH for the ponytail, and the winner gets to pick from two different ponytails. So either they can pick the Molly one or the Mia one, and I have the Mia one, so like it's super glam. The giveaway is only open for 4 days and it's only for Instagram, so I wanted to come on here real quick and tell you guys about it. If you missed it, if you don't follow me on Instagram or whatever, I just wanted to get this out real quick before the giveaway is over so you can go enter. And it's super easy to enter. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, K3Chocolate, follow the brand, insert name here, and leave a comment on my post that I just posted today for the giveaway and tag 3 friends, and that is it. So on Thursday, we're going to pick a winner. That's it, like literally, that's how easy it is to enter. So good luck, you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, YouNow. I stream on YouNow and Twitch. So add me on all of those platforms. I will link all of my stuff down below. I'll link my Amazon favorites. I'll link my Poshmark closet if you want to shop it. All of this stuff will be down below, so check them out. And that's it. Love you guys, and good luck. Bye.